Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and saw this, I can't remember if it was a comment here or on a message board, but either way, I thought it was a great idea, finding out-of-date packages. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do micro videos, one subject upon a time. Typically, they build upon each other through a series, but every so often, we might do just a video that I think is important, a little bit out of sequence, or I see it a lot, or I think it's very important. So again, we're going to be looking at talking about pip and finding out the packages, or how do I identify packages that are out of date. Well, pip is a command line file, and it typically always has a lot of help for you. So right now I just type pip and I see all the commands, and I have the general options, and you can always just type help pip. So oops, pip help. I think that was already, so I get a little bit here. It's basically the same thing as when I typed pip, but now when I start to dig down deeper, I know that I saw my packages when I did pip list. So now I'm going to see all of the packages, list all the packages that I have installed. Well, I want to know which packages are out of date, so I need help with list. So pip help list. So basically think about it, our help function inside of Python. So I want help with my list inside of this. So now I'm going to get all my options associated, there we go, and all of my commands list options -- outdated, or I can look up to date. So I'm going to go pip list outdated. So now I'm going to get a list of all of my packages that are out of date, and then the type. So I can see them right here. Here's the version that I have. Here's the version that is the latest sitting out there on pip. So I just saw this and I thought this was and actually, to be honest, I thought we had already covered it. So that's my bad. So I thought when I went through all the pip, maybe more than I think about it, I wonder if I shut down pip when we started doing our more concise series. But there we go, guys. Please, please, please drop any questions, video requests, comments, anything that we need to improve upon, because look, this channel has been developing over the time and been getting better and better because of you guys, and I just want to tell you guys thank you for that. So as always, thanks for watching. Please click that subscribe button, notification bell, thumbs up, and go ahead and share these videos and share this channel, because I know there are other people out there that are struggling to learn Python, and I want to save them any pain. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye guys.